He made a store. People loved it. He worked hard every day. In just a short time, sales grew fast. The store was one of the best in town. But then something sad happened. A small mistake in the lease made him lose the store. He had no right to stay. He had to leave everything behind. He and his family felt very sad. They had to leave the town they loved. It was the hardest moment of his life. What would he do next? The store was not just a job. It was his dream. He had spent all his time and money on it. People in the town liked him and his store a lot. Even his kids were born there. He gave his best to the place. But he had to leave it because of one small rule he missed in the paper. It was a huge loss. But he did not give up. He started to dream again. A new plan was forming. What will he build next? After leaving the town, Sam remembered his younger days. He was born in Oklahoma in 1918. His family did not have much money, but they always tried their best. Sam's family moved from place to place to find better work. They often packed up and left. Life was not easy, but they always stayed strong and hopeful. As a boy, Sam helped with a milk business. He milked cows and took bottles to neighbors. It was hard work, but he learned a lot by doing it every day. Sam also sold newspapers and did small jobs. He saved every little bit of money he made. He learned early that saving money is very important. Even after football games, Sam ran home to help with work. He got tired, but he did not stop. Sam believed that working hard could lead to a better life. His parents worked very hard too. His mother ran the milk business, and his father did many jobs. Sam saw how hard life could be, but he never gave up. Sam's father was not home much because of work. He traveled a lot to find jobs. This made life at home hard, and his parents often argued. To get away from problems at home, Sam played sports and joined clubs. He stayed busy so he would not feel sad. These things helped him grow strong. Even with trouble at home, Sam stayed kind and smart. He learned that life is not always fair, but he could still work to build a better future. After school, Sam got a job at a store called J.C. Penney. He sold clothes to people. He liked helping buyers, but he did not like doing the paperwork. Sam did not do well with numbers. His boss said he might lose the job. But Sam was good at talking to people. He smiled and worked hard each day. Even when he made mistakes, Sam kept learning. He started to like sales and wanted to learn more about how shops worked and how to make them better. In 1942, Sam left his job and joined the Army. It was World War II. He wanted to help his country. The Army taught him many new things. He showed strong leadership in the Army. He worked hard and became a captain. The Army saw he was smart and gave him important jobs to do. While in Oklahoma, Sam met Helen. They liked each other and got married in 1943. Now Sam had a family, and he needed to make a living for them. After the war, Sam wanted to start a store. He got $20,000 from Helen's father and added $5,000 of his own to buy a store in Newport, Arkansas. This store was part of a chain called Ben Franklin. It was not doing well, but Sam had hope. He wanted to try and make it better using new ideas. Sam watched how other stores worked. He found ways to do things for less money. He wanted to sell more things by keeping prices low for everyone. Sam had a plan after the war. He and Helen bought a Ben Franklin store in Arkansas. The store had problems, but Sam was ready to make it work his own way. Most shop owners followed the same rules. They bought items from the main company. But Sam looked for better deals and bought goods from other sellers instead. He kept prices very low. Other shops made big profit on each item. Sam made small profit, but sold more. This way, his sales grew fast over time. The store became busy. People loved paying little money for many things. They came more often. This helped Sam earn more even with lower prices. Sam did not just follow a book. He watched how people shop. On weekends, he added ice cream stands and popcorn to bring in more people to the store. He tried anything that might help him sell more. His tricks were simple but smart. He wanted the store to be fun and full of life every day. Soon, Sam's store was one of the best in the area. His yearly sales jumped from $105,000 to $175,000 in 3 years. People came from other towns to shop. He paid back all the money he borrowed from Helen's father. Sam proved that his way worked. His store was now better than many other stores in the region. His brother Bud joined the business. This made the work easier for Sam. They worked as a team, making the store better each year. After losing his first store, Sam looked for a new start. He moved to Bentonville, a small town in Arkansas. This time, he wanted to get everything right. Sam found a place in the town square. He made sure the lease was for 99 years so no one could take the store from him again. He and Helen felt hopeful. Many people in the town did not believe in Sam. They thought his store would close in just a few months. But Sam was ready to prove them wrong. In 1950, Sam opened Walton's Five and Dime in the new town. It was not like the other stores. Sam kept prices very low and made shopping fun. Sam used bright signs and new colors in his shop. He smiled, talked to customers, and helped them choose what they needed. People started coming often. Sometimes he added music, balloons, and small games for kids. This made his store feel like a fun place. The shop became full of people each week. As more people came, Sam looked for ways to make the store better. One day, he learned about something new called self-service in stores. In self-service shops, people pick up items on their own and pay at the front. This made things quicker and easier for both the store and the buyers. Sam liked the idea. He needed fewer workers, so he saved money. Customers also liked it because they could move fast and pick what they wanted. With lower costs and happy shoppers, Sam's money grew fast. In less than a year, he made 3 times more money than before. Now he had extra money to grow. He opened more small stores in nearby towns. He used profits and borrowed money to start each new one. By 1960, Sam owned 15 stores. He worked hard each day and used simple ideas to keep prices low. People in many towns loved to shop there. Sam had a new goal. He wanted big stores in small towns. These stores would sell many things at very low prices. People would not need to go far to shop. Most big stores were only in cities. But Sam thought small towns also needed low prices. He wanted to help these people save money in their own town. This was not easy. He told other store companies about his idea, but they did not want to try it. They said the prices were too low to make money. Sam did not stop. He used all his savings. He also borrowed more. He even used his house as a promise to get money. He was ready to take a big risk. In 1962, he opened his first Walmart in Rogers, Arkansas. The building was big. The prices were small. People loved it and came to shop from many places. Everyday items had low prices. People started buying more and more. They were happy they could get what they needed without spending too much. Walmart grew fast. Sam learned from other store ideas. He made shelves from metal, not wood. They cost less and lasted longer, helping him save money. He also kept his shops open for longer hours. More people could shop after work. No one else did that in small towns, so Walmart stayed busy every night. He gave big parking lots to his buyers, and they did not have to pay to park. This way, shopping at Walmart was easy and cheap for everyone. Walmart stores were growing fast. In just a few years, Sam and his team opened many new stores across the country. People liked the low prices and easy shopping. By the 1980s, Walmart had hundreds of shops. Each store used the same idea: sell more by keeping prices low. This way, they beat other shops in many towns. Sam made sure his stores were near warehouses. These big buildings held many goods. It helped bring items to stores quickly and kept costs lower for buyers. Sam cared about his workers. He gave them chances to grow with the company. They got rewards like cash bonuses and a share of the store's success. He called his workers partners. They felt proud to help Walmart grow. Many worked hard because they saw that their work made a big difference. Sam thanked his team by letting them earn money when the store did well. This helped people feel happy at work and made the stores even better. To lower costs more, Sam started to buy goods right from big makers. This let Walmart skip middlemen and pay less. The store could then lower prices for people. Before, stores bought items from companies that sold goods to many shops. But buying right from the maker cut out extra steps and saved a lot of money. Sam's way helped keep items cheap without losing quality. Over time, more and more people came to Walmart because they liked the low prices. In 1983, Sam made a new kind of shop. It was called Sam's Club. These stores were made for people who wanted to buy large amounts at once. Each item in Sam's Club came in big packs. This saved money for buyers. People paid a small fee each year to shop there and get good deals. Small shop owners found it useful too. They bought many things at once and saved money. Sam's Club became popular across the country. Sam's new stores were very different. He changed how people shopped. His idea of lower prices in large stores soon became the way many shops began to work. Walmart changed the whole store world. It made small stores lose buyers, but customers liked cheaper prices and more choices, so they chose Walmart instead. Sam showed that people would drive far if they could save money. His plan helped Walmart grow. Other stores had to follow or close down because of it. Some people did not like what Sam's stores did to small shops. These small shop owners lost their buyers and had to close. But Sam said people chose to shop at Walmart. Sam believed customers were free to pick where to shop. He gave them more for less money, so they kept coming. It was the shoppers who decided who stayed. He also said the world was changing. Big stores with many items and lower prices were what people wanted. Old ways of shopping were not enough anymore. Sam died in 1992. He was 74 years old. At that time, Walmart had grown fast. It had over $100 billion in sales each year. That was more than most other stores. Even after his death, Sam's ideas lived on. His stores kept growing, and new places opened across the world. Walmart became the biggest store chain anywhere. By growing so big, Walmart became a leader in shopping. It gave jobs to millions and helped buyers spend less. Sam's dream changed the way the world shops.